Hello everyone, so welcome to English class with teacher again. So today, I hope that everyone doing fine at home. So how do you feel today? You feel so excited? Are you feel so tired? Are you feel so happy with your family? Maybe, or you feel so enjoying with something. Okay. So now, today teacher will gonna show you the lesson that we call that the weather. Okay, you know the weather. Okay, so actually, what is the weather like today at the place? But at teacher place, it feel like a just something cloudy, a little bit cloudy, and also sunny also. Okay, so today lesson teacher will teach you about what's the weather likes. What is the weather like today? Okay, so what's the weather like today? So, um, actually, we live in one world, one earth, but it's not the same weather. It's not the same. Yeah. Some maybe at teacher place live sunny and a little bit cloudy, but at your place maybe oh it is rainy. Maybe some of your place maybe windy, something like that. Okay. Now teacher will tell you the kind of the word in English that tell you is the weather like. Okay. So what's the weather like today? So okay, this is the question that teacher always asks you, right? So number one, the weather like have sun and it no cloudy and no rainy down, so we call that it. Did you know that? Okay, sunny. Okay, everyone read with me. Sunny. Okay, sunny when you can see the sun. Okay, so it's don't have like cloud. Okay, like this. No, so you just see the sun and sunny, so we call that it is sunny. Okay. Okay, number two. Okay, um it is like it's a little bit wet and the water is down to the earth, so we call what we call that. Okay, it's raining. I'm sorry, it's raining. It's raining. Okay, or we can say it's raining. Okay, it's raining. Okay, so and number three, what is the weather? Maybe in our country have a lot of kind of that one, but we also have the word like maybe you have to wear something like coat, thick coat to cover you from cold, so that one we call cold. But a different a country we call that snowy. You know that? But in Asian, no, snowy. Sorry, this one snowing. Snowing, okay, snowing. Or we can say cold, or we say snowing, okay? Okay, number four, we call that, we cannot see the sun.